Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney, and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of the new Yeezy 350 V2s in Zyon. I don't know. I'll also be doing a little try on just to show you how they look on the feet as well. If you like these types of videos, these like sneaker reviews, unboxing, try-ons kind of thing, just let me know. I have a few other ones on my channels. I just posted one last week of the Nike Air Force One Sage Lows, so check that out if you're interested. I also have a few, I think on NMDs on my channel as well. So if you like them, just let me know and it gives me an excuse to keep buying shoes. Well, I had ordered these through the Adidas app. They have raffles. This one was a raffle, so basically for like a week leading up to the release date, you could go onto the Adidas app, kind of enter your information, enter your card info, and they'll basically say, you know, nothing else you have to do at this point. When the release date comes, Adidas will go through, like, I guess all the applicants and pick them however they pick them, but you'll be charged automatically and it'll just ship automatically. I haven't gotten every pair of Yeezys that I've tried to get, but I've done pretty well. Like, my track record with Adidas and Yeezys is a lot better than it is with Nike. Nike, the sneakers app, and haven't had much luck there, but I know I'm not the only one. I think that's pretty normal. But I think that's almost why at the same time I have a harder time paying like these big markup prices for Yeezy, because I know like I can get maybe not the pair that I really want, but I could get a pair in a few months through the Adidas app. I don't know, maybe I'm just lucky. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, but I definitely do think that it's not as difficult because there's so many pairs of Yeezys now. I actually had the original Turtle Dove, like the very original Yeezys, and I got them through like a raffle, but like an in-person raffle at Kicks USA, where I went and I filled out a little ticket and they called me and said, you have to come on this day to buy the shoes. And I sold those for a lot, so I didn't keep them. And I also had, I don't know the exact name, but like the all white ones, and I sold those as well, because I mean, if you can get them, you might as well, because you're gonna make money off of them. That's how I see it, but I'm keeping this pair, so I'm pretty excited. I was notified that I won the shoe, and I don't want to say that I won the shoe because I still had to pay for them, but you know what I mean, that I was chosen in the draw on the release date, which was July 18th. I think it was a Saturday. Could be wrong. I don't know. I think the draw started at 10 or 11, and the email that I have up right here is at 12:06. So I know sometimes it takes like not a long time, but like it's not immediate that you're told, oh, you got these shoes. And this one was actually pretty fast. So these retailed for $220. Like I said, I was notified that I got them on July 18th. They took a while to ship. I got them yesterday, which was August 3rd. So, you know, it's kind of annoying because it's like you're excited, you got these shoes, they're, you know, not, you spend your money on them and it takes a while to come. All right, so here's the box. It came like this, and it came with this like security seal, whatever. The one thing I wanted to know, so I used to live in Philly actually up until like last month, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to me, but I always had a lot of problems in Philly with my packages getting stolen. It just happens. It's, you know, part of like they just leave it out on the city street. It happens. There's a lot of foot traffic. One thing I just want to let you guys know, if that's something you're worried about, this literally on this box, I don't know if you can see it, it says Yeezy Boost 350 V2. I don't know, like just as someone that's had a lot of packages stolen, having what's on it, whatever. Okay, so you open up the box, obviously. Also, if my lighting's like a little weird or if there's like weird noises, there is literally a hurricane going on right now, and I'm like on the coast, so It's like really gross out. And here's the box. Looks like this. Yeah, Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. So then I got a size 8. These are men's, obviously. I'm typically a woman's size 9, so a men's 7.5. However, Yeezys do run small for whatever reason, but the 8 for me is like the perfect size. The box opens like this, like it slides out. You like can't really take it all the way out either, which is kind of good actually. Oh my god, it's raining so hard. Anyway, so here's the shoe, and it comes with the little tag on it right here. It's just on the one though. I personally actually really like this colorway. I just love like black and white shoes. I don't know, like I just go for it's because it's how I dress too. Like I just wear so much black and like white and gray. Like I don't wear a ton of color. So I think that's why I am drawn to these. So these kind of do give me turtle dove vibes, which I think is why I like them. And then they have, you know, like the strip right here, which I think it's black. Yeah, it looks black. But see, when you're looking up close, I don't know if you can tell, but this almost, like this really light color here, it almost looks white, but it's actually like this gray. It's the same exact color as the laces. And then obviously this, I can't really, it's so hard to tell. I guess that the other color is the same as this, but it kind of looks gray. I don't know. You can see it, but I like how like the design, it's all going like different directions because it kind of just makes like it look more textured and stuff. So I like that look. And then the sole is white, but it's kind of got like a yellow tint to it too. And then like this right here is kind of yellowish. So this is what they look like. I don't know, I don't really have anything else to say because you guys can see what they look like. They look like the pictures though, because I feel like sometimes like shoes, the actual pictures kind of look like different colors than how they actually look. I don't know. But I'm excited to wear these. I know I'll like wear them a lot. But the one thing about Yeezys, I don't know if you can tell from this angle, I feel like when you're wearing them and you look down on your foot looks kind of wide. But it's only like when you're looking down for whatever reason, but it's because like you can see how this part comes out on both sides, and I feel like it just makes your foot look really wide. Does anyone else think the same thing or no? Let me know, okay? I think the last ones I tried for were the linen ones, which I liked, but I like these a lot more because they're just more what I go for. I'm very predictable in a lot of things in my life because I stick to what I know and I stick to what I love. So if you are interested in these, I've seen them on StockX. I don't think like the markup like on the resale price of them is that crazy. Like I think compared to a lot of other Yeezys, the price is still relatively low. So if they're like something you were interested in and you wanted to buy it resale, like I don't think it would be that bad. I don't know. So now I'll just do a quick try on to show you like how they look on the feet. So here they are on the feet, and as you can see, I'm wearing them with a black sock, which I kind of like because it matches like the stripe, but I also think you could get away with a white sock because then it would match the sole. I don't know, what do you think? But like I said, yeah, these are men's size 8 and I'm typically a woman's size 9 and they fit perfectly. My toe is like right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like this type of video, if you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Also, did you guys get these? Like, I want to know what you guys think, or if there's a pair of Yeezy that you have that you really, really love, let me know because I like hearing about that too. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.